ever noticed those curious little suffix -p, -t, -s or -g at the end of SMS messages from banks, service providers, or even your favorite retail brands? They are not typos or branding quirks. They are part of a sophisticated regulatory system put in place by the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India to bring order to the wild world of bulk SMS. And in a country where mobile phones are lifelines, understanding these suffixes could help you spot scams, reduce spam, and even improve how your business communicates with customers. Why do these suffixes exist? With over 1 billion text messages sent daily in India, mobile inboxes were once plagued by unwanted promotional messages. TRAI stepped in with a streamlined framework, label the message, control the flow, and give consumers clarity. Enter the 4-code suffix -p for promotional, -x for service implicit, -t for transactional, and -g for government. These aren't just a technical tags, they are enforcement tools, scheduling guides, and transparency badges all in one. The 4 suffix explained. -p, promotional and service explicit. If you are getting messages about discount offers, flash sales, or festive deals, you will spot a -p at the end. These messages are tightly regulated. They can only be sent between 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. and the content must adhere to strict anti-spam policies. -s, service implicit. Think bill reminders, account alerts, or service updates. These aren't trying to sell you anything directly, but they are trying to services you are already using. As a result, there are no time restrictions. You could receive one at midnight if necessary. -t, transactional. These are critical communications, OTP codes, bank alerts, order confirmation. Since they are time sensitive, they are allowed to land in your inbox 24/7. If your phone pings at 2 a.m. with a -t message, it's probably something you need to see. -g, government. When the government wants to reach the masses, emergency alerts, health advisories, or service rollouts, they use the -g suffix. These messages are exempt from restrictions, ensuring important public information is delivered instantly and reliably. Business users take note. For companies using bulk SMS services, tagging your messages correctly isn't an option, it's mandatory. Misuse of suffix can result in penalties or message blocking. SMS platforms like TextGuru now integrate automated tagging tools to help businesses stay compliant effortlessly. What may look like a random -p or -t could actually be the reason you are not getting spammed at odd hours or why your OTP arrives exactly when you need it. TRAI's suffix system is a quiet revolution in message regulation, balancing business needs with user rights. So next time your phone buzzes, check the suffix. It might tell you more than the message itself.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.